Hello, my name is Susan Graham, and I'm a certified elder law attorney. Today's topic is, are you really living in Groundhog Day? There's that movie that somebody kept doing the same thing over and over and over, expecting a different change that never happened. Could that be your life? You know, that's okay if you don't pay attention to the details one day and another day and maybe a whole week. But if you let a lot of time goes by, things change. Your health changes, your money changes, your relationship with people change, and the law changes. There's some recent law changes that can impact your estate plan. One of them is in Idaho in July of 2023, our legislature put a law in place that changed the living will and the health power of attorney. So now it's different and would be appropriate to update that. In addition, there's been a change to the law for inherited IRAs. These are retirement accounts. These are retirement accounts that are not inherited from your spouse, but inherited from someone who's not your spouse. And you need to pay attention to that because the tax laws have changed substantially on how those accounts are handled. In addition, if you're a small business owner, that means you have no more than 20 employees. The federal government has passed a new law. It's called the Corporate Transparency Act. It's something to do with money laundering. And if you don't fill out the form that they're requiring by the end of 2024, you could be subject to a fine of $591 a day. Who knows how Congress came up with that number, but it doesn't matter. That's an exposure and a potential liability for some business owners. So why do you care about making these changes and keeping up to date? It allows you to keep your personal and financial and business affairs not only up to date, but give you the greatest protection and allow you to do what you really are planning on doing for your personal life. How do you do that? You already probably schedule regular appointments with your doctor and your dentist and your accountant. In addition, you probably have meetings with your car mechanic. That would be appropriate. I do that. I do that every quarter because I don't want to have to deal with some funny problem occurring with my car when I'm driving down the road and get stuck someplace. So you need to do the same thing with your attorney and your CPA and your financial planners. My business is called Senior Edge Legal, and in that business, we help retired people, those planning for retirement, create and implement plans so they have a safe, independent, and financially secure future. If you would like to talk with me to talk about your own estate plans so that you can have a worry-free retirement, please call my office. My phone number is 208-344-0375. 208-344-0375. Thank you for taking the time to visit with me today.